Look at this question. Okay, this one I will say is not so straightforward. Okay, but let's see how many of you manage to get answer correct. 1 out of 21. Okay, if your fraction is 1 out of 21, yes, your answer is correct. And this is how many marks? 2 marks. So we look at the question. Okay, Muthu spent 4/7 of his money to buy 6 identical pens. He spent the rest of it, okay, rest of the money to buy 4 such pens and 3 files. So rest of the money means it will be 3 out of 7 of his money. So for this question, I will draw a model. Okay, I will show you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the amount of money that Muthu has. Okay, maybe I just label Muthu's money. So he spent 4/7. Okay, this 4/7 is spent on 6 pens. Then this part here, okay, is spent on 4 pens plus 3 files. Okay, so this is the challenging part. How? Okay, a lot of students say, don't know what to do. Some of them did it without model. Okay, so I'll cover the model part later. But I will cover the non-model method later. I'll use the model. So I have 4 units here. These are all equal units, So I have 4 units here. And then I want to split into 6 pens. It's very hard to find out what is 1 pen. Okay, so what I want to do here is that I have, okay, I'm going to outline this. I have 4 units. I have 6 pens. I want to find the common multiple of 4 and 6, which will give me 12 units. So how to make it 12 units? So each of these will be 3U, 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 3U. Okay, I'm going to make it all equal units. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to just write it down so that you won't get lost by counting. Some of you will count wrongly. So now I have a new relationship here. What's the new relationship? 6 pens is the same as 12 units. Okay, now what do we want to find out? Let's look at the question first. What fraction of Muthu's money is spent on 3 files? So 4 pens and 3 files. If I know how many units is 4 pens, I can know how many units is 3 files too. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to find out what is 1 pen, which is 12 units divided by 6, which will give you 2 units. So I have 4 pens, right? Here, so I'm trying to find out 2 units times 4 will give me 8 units. So this is 8U. So look carefully at look carefully at this part of the model. This entire thing is 9 units. So if I have 9 units and 8 units represents the 4 pens, that means 3 files is represented by 1 unit. So the fraction would be 3 files out of the Muthu's money, which is the total. And you can see that the total is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20, 1 unit, 7 times 3. So 3 files will be 1U, total 21 units. So 1 out of 21. That's the answer for this part. Okay, for those who did not do by model, right? Okay, let me show you. Some of you will be like, oh, I don't want to make it common multiple. 4 units, right, is 6 pens. 1 pen will be 4 divided by 6 units. Okay, so I will rewrite this. See, I will put my 6 pens on the left hand side. 6 pens is 4 units. Okay. Then 1 pen will be 4 divided by 6, which is the same as 4 6 units. Okay, then you want to have how many, pens? You want to find 4 pens. So you will take 4 6 units times 4, it will give you, if you use this, 4 6, imagine, if you want to calculate, you just want to use calculator, you will get 8/3 units. Then what do you know about the rest of his money? It's 3 units, right? So 3 files would be 3U minus, this is the same as 2 and 2/3 units. We will get 1/3 unit. Then again, you want 3 files out of the total, right? So what is the 3 files? 3 files is 1/3 unit. Total is how many units? 7 units. So if you put this, okay, as an equation, you get 1/3. Then you get divided by 7, you also get 1 out. But I would not want to do this because it's not so friendly. I will try to make it into whole number so it's easier for you. Okay, so this is done. Next part. For every 5 files bought, right, 1 additional file was given free. How many files would Muthu get in total if he were to spend all, he will spend all his money to buy files free. So, what do we know? 1 out of 21, okay, of his money can buy him 3 files. Okay? So, 21 out of 21 of his money can buy him 3 times 21, which is 63 files. Okay, if you don't want to use fraction, you can always just change to 1U and 21U. Okay, because we already know that the files is 1 unit and the total we know is 21 units. So you can do it in terms of units or do it in terms of fraction. It doesn't change the way things are. So so he can buy 63 files. So you notice that every 5 files bought, 1 was free. So 5 plus 1 free. This is our groups or sets method. Okay, so we need to find the group. How many groups are there? So how many will be free? Okay, number of free files equals to 63 divided by, every time you buy 5, you get 1 free. So that will give you 12 remainder 3. That means 12 will be free because you divide by groups of 5, there will be 12 groups of 5. So 12 files will be free. So they say how many files would he get in total? So you get total files would be the original 63 plus the 12 free. Okay, please do not round up. Okay, you won't get extra. You will get exact when you have, every time you have 5, you only get 1 free. Okay, so total will be 75.